Hello and welcome to another edition of Quantalytics by Trade Ideas. Today is September 21st and you are viewing my desktop. A lot of stuff is brand new and some very exciting developments are here, so I'm going to show you everything that you're looking at. A couple of the most exciting things, you guys are right in the lab here and some amazing stuff is coming out. Notice the Trade Ideas cloud-based robot, our own proprietary charting data to show you who's winning in real time on the web. This is going to be free, guys, because this is our own data, and it's pretty amazing. Large cap versus mid caps versus small caps versus micro caps. You can see what they're doing on a 1 minute scale compared to each other. Okay, so very exciting. My positions. Told you guys that Quantalytics was giving me the heads up to get a little bit short. Caught some nice moves on TZA, the spiders, FAZ. Took half my profits on the diamonds today because I had 500 on all of them, as you've seen from my previous screenshots. And right now these positions look good. Take a look at this window right here on the right hand side. These are the hidden orders coming into the market that nobody gets to see because of the partnership that we have with NASDAQ. We're the only firm to provide you with basically being able to scan the pre-orders that are coming into the market. So here's what it looks like. Hidden buy pressure, hidden sell pressure as it comes in. You can customize it to certain levels like I have here in terms of size. This is the next deal. If you want this type of P&L, you're going to have these types of tools. And that's the bottom line. You got to ask yourself, are you looking at this information? The Quantalytics stream coming in? By the way, I think we had it misspelled before, so we changed it to the proper name. Look at the battle of the buy programs and the sell programs. So you can see who won that one. It's just the best way to view data. There's nothing else I can say about that. Visually, I can see how the whole market is shaping up. Look at the micros getting annihilated. Okay, the large caps trying to fight it off, but not having that good of a chance. Here I'm watching my positions, seeing how the overall P&L and what is the behavioral pattern of that P&L and how it relates to the actual numbers. It is the ultimate way to watch data. That's all I can say. I've got 52-week highs and lows on the screen right here. Looking at what's being talked about on StockTwits and seeing the technical patterns there. Watching all of the high flyers in a separate window. And again, I can see when the buy programs come in. I can see when they come right into sell pressure. And this is the kind of confidence that lets me be able to bob and weave at the market at a better pace with a better feel than most people. Because again, look at my desktop. Ask yourself the simple question, does your desktop look like my desktop? Most of you are probably just looking at a bunch of charts, trying to figure out magic patterns. And I've been talking about it for a while that just doesn't work. That's your imagination happening. This is the real deal. This is the real battle of the buyers and the sellers, and this is the buy orders and the sell orders before they even hit the market. And this is how it all is playing out in real life. And this is how it's affecting your P&L. And obviously you can tell we're excited about it is because there's nothing else like this on the market anywhere. And if you want to have the advantage player opportunity, if you want to be doing it better than just any average trader, you have got to be looking at the right tools, and there's nothing better on the market than this. This is your ultimate heads-up display, the best weapon to extract alpha right now. And again, I try to show you by putting up the numbers. Again, I'm not always making money. Nobody always makes money, but I try to really come in there and say you can do it without taking an immense amount of risk and at the same time extracting the kind of alpha that you can extract and be an advantage player. But you got to have the right tools. Quantalytics plays a huge part of it. Me having access to the hidden orders like this plays a huge part of it. And that's what it takes today, because it's just that much more competitive trading now than it ever has been. And I hope that those that watch these videos and see, you know, how all of this information translates into alpha and what you do with it and how you react to it, I hope that, again, that it's poignant enough to make you realize that you need to be taking a look at it. You need to be checking it out, because soon this will be on everybody's desktop. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this little session, September 21st. I'm going to be doing a lot of traveling in the next week, so I'm not 100% sure if we'll be posting a lot of these up. But again, when I have a chance, I'm going to do it. Notice the sell program. Oh my goodness. Nice one. You know, no better way to view the data. Okay, have fun watching the market. Take a look at this, and again, I hope you guys are enjoying it as much as we are. Take care, and talk to you soon.